Hi, I'm Jamie, and this is a demo of the project Commerce from the CS50 Web course. I'm going to walk you through my project and the requirements. The first requirement is to have at least 3 models in addition to the user model. So this is a Django project, and I did create those 3 models, one for auction listings, one for bids, and one for comments. You can check out the code to see the fields that I chose for each of these models. Next, users should be able to visit a page to create a new listing. So let's take a look. I'll try creating a listing here. So we added some validation to the form so that the listing with the title already exists error will show if you create a duplicate listing. So let's try creating a more specific title. All right, so that time it let me submit the listing, and you can see it now on this active listing page. This active listings page is the default root of my app, and it lets you see all the active auction listings, including the title, description, the current price, and photo, if one exists. So you can see the one that we just added, it doesn't have a photo, so none is shown. And the current price is equal to the starting bid, since there haven't been any bids on this auction yet. So next, let's take a closer look at the listing page. Listing page has more details about the listing, and there's also a few things that you can do if you're signed in. You can add or remove items from your watch list. You can also bid on the item. It has to be at least the current price. So let's test that out. There's an error that appears if it's too low of a bid, and a success message if it's a successful bid. And you can see that it updates here as well. If you're the user that created the listing, you can also close the auction. That will look like this. Also on the listings page, you can see comments and add comments. And that will show up there on the listings page. All right, next let's take a quick look at the watch list. So here you can see items that this user has added to their watch list. And if you click any of them, it will go back to the page. You can see that the auction is now closed here, for example. Oh, and there is a note that says the auction is closed. But you can also see the price for the listings that are still active. And finally, I want to show you the categories page. If you create a listing with no category, it automatically adds the uncategorized label, as you can see here. And you can go to the admin for Django to see these models that I have and add, edit, delete any listings, comments, and bids. All right, so that's my site. Thank you so much for watching this demo. I learned a lot making this site, and I appreciate the chance to work on it. Thanks. Have a great day.